So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some Christmas style handmade card decoration ideas. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas cards, handmade decoration. These are all kind of greeting cards for Christmas so you can give to your kids and even your friends. These are the super interesting ideas and super easy plus creative ideas. You can add and make some kind of Christmas tree. You can make a kind of Christmas tree ball, and even you can also make a gift hamper like card. This will look also so amazing. You can make some kind of snowman, penguins, Santa Claus. These are also looking amazing. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download the video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the idea that you like the most. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.